500 and odd crores for development of MLA's constituency. It's just a gimmick. So MLAs are not getting any funds for the further development of their constituency, and people of Karnataka, Aam Admi, they are totally upset with this government because of the frequent price hikes. Whether it's a power tariff increase, milk prices has been increased, now water prices has been going to be increased. So price hike is the only guarantee this Congress government has delivered in last 20 months.
Sir, as far as law and order situation, you already spoke. After the Koppal incident, many resorts and the homestays are being asked to vacate, and their owners are suffering now. Do you think somewhere the law and order situation is collapsing and government is trying to cover up in different way?
See, it's not today. The day Congress government came to power in Karnataka, because of its appeasement politics, the law and order situation is collapsing day by day. And more importantly, the incident happened in Koppal. It's very unfortunate. A foreign national has been attacked, has been raped. It's a shame on the part of Karnataka. It's a shame on the part of Karnataka. Rather than doing politics on this particular issue,